Hello all. Let us see simple, compound and complex sentences. According to the structure, there are three types of sentences: simple, compound and complex sentences. Before we move on to the topic, what is a subject? A subject is a noun or pronoun. Then what is a predicate? A predicate is a verb, part or action. Simple sentence. A simple sentence consists of a subject and a predicate. A compound sentence consists of two or more subjects and two or more predicates. The complex sentence can be adjective, noun or adverb clause. What is a clause? Clause is a group of words, or a typical clause has a subject and a predicate. There are independent clause and dependent clause. In the independent clause, you have a typical subject and a predicate, that is a noun and a verb. A dependent clause is that which cannot stand alone. It is related with the independent clause. Here there are examples. Please go through how you can convert the simple sentences to compound sentences. This is very important in IELTS writing. Compound sentences and complex sentences give you more marks than the simple sentences. Simple sentences are not that much appropriate for the IELTS task. For the speaking, writing, complex and compound sentences are very important. So you should have an idea how you can convert a simple sentence to a complex and compound sentence. Let us see one example. Simple sentence: it rained for 3 days, the streets in my neighborhood flooded. So how you change to compound sentence? It rained for 3 days, so the streets in my neighborhood flooded. When it comes to complex, you may be wrong, I cannot say. How you can convert to simple to complex? Though you may be wrong, I cannot say. Thank you.